Whoa! Okay, you guys. So we are unboxing. Ayana, how do we do the unboxing? Can you do the ASMR? Ayana likes to do the unboxing. We are unboxing my new book, you guys. So wait, oh, I took a pretty... I'm super excited. Kids, this has taken me a long time to make, but this is Daddy's math book. Yay! What do you mean another math book? It's mine. I made it.
Billions.
Yeah, I know, but this is not a math book that I'm buying. It's a math book that I made. So it's different, right? Okay, are you guys excited?
Let me do it.
Okay, you can do it. Yeah.
Yay! Ooh, can I have one?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. You can all have one. Ugh.
You give one to me, right?
Yes, I'll give one to everybody. But look, what's it?
Oh my god!
It's called. What's it called?
Beyond the times tables.
Beyond the times tables. And why is this important? Why is this useful? Why is this cool?
Because people can learn their times tables.
No, but if you already know your times tables, what happens next? Do you stop?
You can learn different equations that uses times tables.
You can learn stuff after the times tables.
Wait, do we write in this book?
Yeah, have a look at it. Have a look at it. You can write in this book. So this is like a workbook, right? You can actually work in it. It's got different chapters. It's got a picture of you guys. Look.
Where?
Look, you're on the front.
Oh, yeah!
It's got a picture of the three of you. It's got my kids, which are right here. And, you know, so what's the goal of... Let's talk about the book. Let's imagine that you already know your times tables, up to 12 times 12. Is that enough? Is that it?
No.
Well, no, I mean, that's what you knew when you were 8 years old. But we can do better.
I'm 7 and I know my...
You know your times tables at 7 already. But you could learn more stuff. And that stuff is going to help you to do better at school, count faster, feel better about mathematics in general, and make you feel super smart. So that's good. So I'm super pumped to present this to you guys. My kids are obviously going to have to do the book. Yay! Can you give me the fakest smile you can? Okay, good. So Beyond the Times Tables, you guys, just unboxed it, just came out, received it today. Thanks so much. I'll be passing these around. Make sure you get your copy, grab one. It'll help you to count after the times tables because you do not have to stop at the times tables. We can go further. We can do better. Thank you, guys. Say goodbye to the camera.
Bye!
Bye. Thank you. You already doing the book, Talia? Oh. Then.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so sweet.
First one, pluses are a little bit easier than I thought it would be.
Yeah.